If water stops here, everything stops. 900 outlets, hundreds of people. One system is responsible for all of it. This site serves officers' accommodations and a large labor camp of one of the largest companies in the UAE. Hundreds of people depend on uninterrupted water for bathrooms, for kitchens, for daily living. Here, failure is not an option. Downtime is not acceptable, and pressure fluctuations cannot be ignored. That is why this installation uses a 60 horsepower Prakash End Suction Pump setup engineered specifically for continuous institutional operation. The system follows a precise duty standby assistant logic. One pump runs continuously on duty. It handles the base load day and night without interruption. A second pump is on standby, not as a backup on paper, but as an active safeguard. When the duty pump needs rest or maintenance, the standby pump takes over immediately. Water supply continues without disruption. The third pump is the assistant. It operates during peak demand, early mornings, evenings, the hours when consumption rises sharply. At those times, the assistant pump supports the system to deliver higher flow rates without stressing the duty pump. This balance ensures efficiency, equipment protection, and uninterrupted service. To manage this intelligently, the system uses a customized VFD control panel. Variable speed control adjusts output based on real demand. Pressure is maintained automatically. Flow is supplied as required. No excess energy use, no sudden pressure drops. The result, stable performance across a large, demanding network. This installation supplies more than 500 outlets in the labor camp and over 400 outlets in officers' accommodations. Bathrooms and kitchens receive consistent water flow throughout the day. Even during peak usage, high flow rates are maintained without interruption. This is what correct system design delivers. Not oversized equipment, not shortcuts, but pumps selected, configured, and controlled for real operating conditions. This setup reflects an engineering-first approach: continuity, reliability, long-term performance. Installed with Prakash Pump, this system is built for institutions where water must work every hour, every day. For labor camps, officers' facilities, and large housing operations, this is dependable water infrastructure. Prakash Pump, one brand for complete water solution. For more info, visit us at prakashpump.com.